part of American Airlines Group. We are the largest regional for American Airlines. We operate about a third of all American Eagle branded flights. So if you're on a regional plane, chances are you're on an Envoy flight. American already had an existing agreement with Samsung, and Envoy is a wholly owned subsidiary of American Airlines Group. We have had experience in the past with multi-panel displays and other solutions that were more complicated and convoluted. So when we were able to leverage the agreement with Samsung and American Airlines, we were able to use a single panel display here at Envoy headquarters, all in one, integrated, seamless, no seams in the middle, literally no seams in the middle of the display for our users. It was much smoother process than what we've had experience with in the past.
Airlines run on data, so from arrivals and departures to weather updates and break schedules as well, there's a constant stream of information that needs to be understood at a glance. With high-resolution Samsung displays, Envoy can present that data in a way that instantly clears any actionable items. And thanks to Samsung CMS, they can also update what's shown every 30 minutes. It really just depends on what Envoy is needing at that moment. But the content can stay relevant, and the scalability, that gives you a different type of customization.
Content rotation is key, and the Samsung CMS has made it easier for us to manage the rotation of the content. We have several different operational reports that we create. We have amazing visuals and different reports that we have not only on operational stats and real-time airline statistics, but also being able to combine that data with other data such as weather and bring that data together and very easily show that data in a very nice format. So it has been really well received by the executives also as they walk through and they see the displays and they see the images and the content. It's been really well received and it's been really great. And also the unspoken words of people as they come in and you see them stop and stare at the screen for a little bit. So it's been really great to see that happen.
Envoy Air as a national carrier has several locations. Ensuring that they communicate efficiently to their employees is top priority. Samsung's digital display technology provides the end-to-end customer experience on the hardware and software side of the house. What you'll find is that we have a customized approach, ensuring that we understand the full scope of their project, and we've designed a bespoke approach to every aspect of the program that we're developing for that partner. Because of the interconnectivity of our CMS program and the way it interacts with our displays, you'll find that our partners at Envoy Air have been able to maximize the way that they communicate with the internal and external stakeholders in a more efficient manner. Our CMS also increases the collaborative approach between leadership and frontline employees.
Samsung Displays and Samsung CMS has really changed how we communicate with our employees. It is no longer email first, it is now email as in a company to the Samsung Displays where we have it. It's something that we expected it to be one thing and it's grown to be something so much more.